I've come in today for my first yearly maintenance appointment. So it was a first that for me. I had the scan first of all, the head scan, and then everything was checked, cleaned, etc. There was a little bit of maintenance on the access points where the filler had to be replaced. And that's it really. So I'm feeling really good now. Nice clean mouth. I have a maloccluded jaw. It doesn't match completely. It's not the same on both sides. And I've had a lot of work done over the years. But eventually, it doesn't last forever. And I got to the point of last chance saloon, and that's when I came to 21D. I was just praying that I would be a candidate for the treatment, and I was. And it has been life-changing for me, that. It's made a massive difference because I got really worried. The last thing I wanted was false teeth. To have a normal life, being able to go out and eat and socialise, etc., and look after my teeth in much the same way as I would do if I had my own teeth. And I have to say that with the surgery that I had here, they were very painstaking about getting the bite right, and also sort of levelling things up a bit, because my teeth always looked on one side as if they were disappearing away, and now they look better and the bite has actually improved. So it's win-win all round. I've lived with anxiety about my teeth for a long time. So when I first had the surgery done, I sort of breathed a sigh of relief and thought, this is good. And then coming up to the appointment, that old anxiety started coming back because it's a habit. And I start thinking, has something gone wrong? Will it be okay? Will I need further surgery, etc., etc.? But that's more to do with me than 21D in the clinic. And I must admit that this appointment has been totally reassuring, and I'm going out not only with, my teeth feeling beautifully clean, but also reassured and knowing that I'm doing the right things and looking after them properly. And I think that anxiety will go now. My daughter actually has similar problems to me because it's obviously genetic, it runs in the family. And I'm guessing she'll be one of your candidates further down the line. She's not at that point yet. But yes, I would recommend 21D. And I have done to other people who've actually been along and had the similar treatments. I didn't have pain. I had discomfort afterwards. I had some swelling. I had lots of bruising. But it just cleared up very, very, very quickly. And I would say it was a few days of discomfort. It's worth doing, definitely. And I've always hated going to the dentist anyway, because of the problems I've had over the years. So, for me, it was definitely the right choice. No, I did feel in safe hands. That was one of the good things, because there's a lot of preparation. You get a lot of information and literature to read. They're quite happy for you to ring up and ask questions. I felt very supported throughout that process. So that wasn't a problem. And also my family were very supportive of it and sort of took me along and looked after me afterwards and everything. So, and they're quite jealous of my teeth now.